Good evening to one and all present here. Today I, Ribhya Khullar, Activity Prefect, would like to present the overall report of the 7th edition of Spectrum, an All India Art and Craft competition. Unison World School is extremely proud and privileged to apprise that this year the enrollment by the schools increased by leaps and bounds. The school commenced with the preparations of this very event exactly 1 month prior to the decision making of continuing the tradition of hosting its annual art and craft event Spectrum. At the very beginning, the staff and the students brainstormed and came up with the 12 exclusive and versatile events. By 12th August, everything was organized and ultimately the invitations were sent to various schools of the country. We then formulated the rules and regulations according to the requirement of every event while considering healthy and fair competition for all. Once we were ready with the framework and layout of Spectrum, the invites were sent to the experts requesting them to be the adjudicators of our events. We designed an official Instagram page to promote Spectrum among students and teachers alike. Soon after the registration, all schools started working enthusiastically to bring out their best performance in their respective areas of specialization. By 29th August, all schools had submitted their artwork and were sent to the judges. Every artwork was analyzed closely. The results were finally compiled by the 11th September and reviewed to prevent any possible error. We were mesmerized by every student's talent and how they cooperated virtually to make this event a success. I hope this edition of Spectrum has been an enriching experience for everyone. Thank you. Now, I would like to begin with the result summary. Battle of Shutters, the first position was secured by the Doon School, second by Assam Valley, and the special mention was given to Weinberg Allen School. 1 minute frame fame, the first position was secured by Jayashree Periwal High School, the second position was secured by St. George's College, Mussoorie, and the special mention was given to St. Joseph's Academy. Finding Memo, first position was secured by Hopetown Girls School, runners-up was St. George's College, Mussoorie, and the special mention was given to the Indian Public School. Drawing Through the Window Junior category, the first position was secured by Bombay Scottish School, runners-up Jayashree Periwal School, and the special mention was given to Kasiga School. Drawing Through the Window Senior category, the first position was secured by Miles Bronson Residential School, runners-up was Assam Valley, and the special mention was given to St. Joseph's Academy and Rajkumar College. We keep this love in a photograph. The first position was secured by St. Joseph's Academy. The second was the Emerald Heights International School, and the special mention was given to Rajkumar College. Doodle for Real Junior category, first position was secured by Jayashree Periwal Global School. Runners-up was Jayashree Periwal International School, and the special mention was given to the Emerald Heights International School. Doodle for Real Senior category, the first position was secured by Jayashree Periwal Global School. The second position was shared by the Doon School and the Emerald Heights International School, and the special mention was given to Bombay Scottish School. Shadow of the Song, the first position was secured by St. George's College, Mussoorie. The second position, St. Joseph's Academy, Dehradun, and the special mention was given to Jayashree Periwal High School. Thumbs Up, the first position was secured by the Hyderabad Public School, second position by Hopetown Girls School, and special mention was given to Bombay Scottish School. Lithographic 2.0, the first position was secured by Hopetown Girls School, second by Assam Valley School, and special mention was given to Bombay Scottish School and La Martiniere Boys. Paper Picasso, the first position goes to Unison World School, second Jayashree Periwal High School, and the special mention was given to St. Peter's School Junior College, Panchkeni. Thank you. Now I would like to call upon Madam Principal Ms. Divya Dwivedi for further proceedings.
Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome each one of you for the 7th edition of our annual Art Fest Spectrum. Started in 2014 by the young creative enthusiasts of Unison World School, this competition has grown from strength to strength. As creativity knows no bounds, one idea leads to another, bringing in new dimensions to creative pursuits. That which started as an All India painting competition now encompasses art, photography, craft, doodling and digital art. This year, we offered 12 events for competition, which has found an overwhelming participation with around 270 students from more than over 25 schools all across the nation. We have with us schools from Assam, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, there's Hyderabad, there are schools from Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and closer home, of course, Dehradun itself. My gratitude to all the participating teams who have believed in us and made this effort a huge success. A special thanks goes out to the principals of all these schools for having granted their consent to this participation. This event has taken shape with the artistic acumen of a versatile group of students and their able mentors. It becomes all the more special because of the challenges that were posed by the prevalent COVID times. The continuous back and forth of dialogue which took place over mails and tech media is what filled in for the thousands of miles. And today we have, as though it were a seamless experience. So a huge shout out to the tech revolution which has made this possible. Just in the manner that technology has enabled or facilitated this process, it is the tech savvy who have been able to ride the wave of this disruption, and they will be the ones who will emerge as winners. Those who are change averse would be left behind. Competitions are measured by not just the magnitude of participation, but the eminence of the people who grace it. We are blessed today to have with us such eminent artists who have embraced technology and given their art a new dimension. This year, our judges panel consists of illustrious artists, designers, educationists, and researchers. Ms. Samia Kirchi is a designer from Algeria. Mr. Arup Pal is an associated art director from the Mumbai film industry. Ms. Aishwarya M. is a journalist, program manager, Foreign Diplomatic Missions of India. Mr. Sangam Wankhede, who is a visual artist. Ms. Raka Panda is another visual artist. Mr. Jay Chakrabarti is an editor, publisher, Culture Cult publication, and a corporate filmmaker. Mr. Anirban Sengupta is the chief designer of Indian Express. Mr. Avinash Joshi, an exhibition curator, director ISTD. Mr. Prashant Badoni is a photojournalist from the Pioneer. Mr. Tarachand Sharma, an art teacher. Ms. Priyanka Saha is a restoration artist and curator. Mr. Alok Sharma is an artist and an art teacher. Thank you for consenting to judge this event. It is my proud privilege to introduce to you our eminent guest for this evening, Mr. Alok Tirth Bhaumik, an artist and educationist. We had the honor of having the very first edition of Spectrum in 2014, also presided by Mr. Bhaumik, an alumnus of Shanti Niketan, an artist luminaire. Mr. Bhaumik has headed the Art and Media School at the Doon School, as well as many other prestigious educational institutions. He is the founder chairman of Dada's Academy and the art advisor to the Uttarakhand government. Recipient of the National Award in the year 2006, he has had the honor of receiving the IAYP recognition by the Queen of England in the year 2013. With several art exhibitions all across the globe to his credit, Mr. Bhomik brings in that rare value of ingenuity. We are delighted to have you in our midst, sir. May I request you to kindly share your insights and thoughts and experiences of the 7th edition of Spectrum with all of us today. Thank you.
Namaskar. Respected elders, dear students, participants and viewers. I am honored to be the chief guest of Spectrum 2020 this year. I am very happy to see such kind of program. I am very much thankful to the Unison World School, Dehradun, for this program and for inviting me as a chief guest of this program. Dear students, I would like to tell you that at this time, whole world facing a lot of difficulties. But when I have seen your works that you have done for this Spectrum 2020, I was so happy. I was so happy that we have done so well, though we have so much of crisis going on all over the world. I would like to tell you, though this is the competition, but art is not competition only. It's okay. You have come here to join as a competition or a competitors doing artwork, but love art is much more important in your life. And when you are growing in schools as a children, learning art, music is as important as your academics, because we have our body and a mind. Through academics you will develop your logical brains. Through physical exercises, through sports and games, your physical development will take place. But your creativity, your taste, your culture, that will come through your art, music and dance, etc., etc. So please continue your art throughout your life. I know as an artist, I always, and also as a teacher, I am teaching last 30 years. I am come to know this, that through art you can get your peaceful mind. Through art you can create you can enhance your creativity throughout your life. So please continue doing your artwork, whether you are receiving award or not. Yes, sometimes this kind of achievement, today one person is getting award, another is not. Tomorrow you will see another is getting, not the other's one. So award is something giving you, it can encourage you, but it is not everything. Also, I would like to tell you that try to make your mind beautiful, because I believe the importance of art in school to make oneself's mind beautiful. So be sensitive and you should have a deep observations. Try to see the world with a lot of depth. Then you will be able to realize, then you will be able to create much more better work, better artwork. I am meaning that. So today my message is, please continue your artwork throughout your life, whether you are in school, whether you are in family, whether you are in anywhere in this world. Please continue your artwork. And at the end, I would like to thank again to the Unison World School to inviting me as a chief guest of this Spectrum 2020.
Now, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest to announce the winner of the Rolling Trophy of Spectrum 2020.
Namaskar. Today I am going to declare the result Spectrum 2020. The runner-up goes to Hopetown Girls School, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. And the winner of this year's Rolling Trophy goes to Joystree Periwal High School, Jaipur. I have seen all of your works. I am very happy to see the quality of the works. Everybody has done so well. But it's very difficult to judge who is the best in this. But our judges did excellent work. So the result is not everything to you all. I would like to say the participation is more important than the result. Now I am going to announce that the Spectrum 2020 is closed. Namaskar.
Madam Vice Principal, Deans, teachers and my fellow participants. I, Ardas Kaurvadam, Activity Vice Prefect, consider it a privilege to propose the vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all who worked hard and cooperated to make Spectrum 2020 All India Art and Craft Competition a huge success. Once, a great man whispered, "Feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not giving it." Today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. Let me start by giving the glory to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we were able to make this event what it was. I would like to take this moment to thank each and every student who participated in this event, their mentors as well as their principals who cooperated and competed with all the fighting spirit while participating in the events. I'm short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. A big thank you to all the parents who supported both their children and our organizing committee in making this event possible with all their support and cooperation. Even in our virtual lives, events like these don't happen overnight. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated members of our institution who are full of enthusiasm and well-versed in their jobs. Lastly, a big thank you to each one of you for being so patient in attending Spectrum 2020. I once again thank everyone for making this event a huge success. Let us all now rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।